So you want to work less and you don't have any skills in order to do that. I'm going to help you. All you need to do is to follow my next 7 videos. We're going to talk about how to get started with digital products, and it's not hard. If you have your phone, you can get access to Canva, which is a free software. You can create digital products and sell them using social media, which is free, and make 100% profits from that. If you charge $30 and you sell one a day, that's almost $1,000 extra a month. What could that do for you and your family if you had an extra $1,000? And that's just a very modest number, right? So the first thing we're going to do is talk about choosing your niche. What area do you want to work and target in? So if you send me a DM, I have a free digital download with 100 profitable digital download ideas. I will send it straight to you. So DM me that.